press the button here, scan wallet QR code. Scanned successful, logging into Dapp. And if you look here, we're in the wallet, and if we want to log in, we click setting, and the address has been authenticated with the Dapp, and now you can save all your profile information here. And log out. Just press log out and disconnect from the Dapp. There you go. Want to swap chains? Easy, just hold the button. And now we are on the L1 ETH chain. And press it again. Now we're on Poly chain. And as you can see, we click Connect Wallet, click WalletConnect. And we'll go ahead and tap this, scan. Scanned successfully, logging into the Dapp Polygon. So you are free to swap chains quickly and easily, and it saves your selection between boot up sessions.